Now the second part is given to you. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. There are two persons. One is Nuri and the other is Sonu, and they are taking their ages 5 years ago and 10 years later. That we will discuss afterwards. First of all, we need to discuss how old are Nuri and Sonu. It means we have to suppose their present ages. So let present age of Nuri as X and the present age of Sonu as Y. Let's take their ages as X and Y. Now according to the question, as he is saying 5 years ago, both the ages will be subtracted by 5. So it will be X minus 5 and Y minus 5. He is saying 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Nuri was thrice. It means we can take an example that if the Nuri is 15 years, Sonu is 5 years. Then it means Nuri is thrice. So to compare them, to keep them equal, we need to balance the equation. So she is already thrice of the age of Sonu. So we need to multiply 3 with the Sonu's age. I have given this example many times that whenever we have anything which is already greater, we will not put more in that. To balance the equations, we need to put on the other one, then only they both can be equal. So Nuri is thrice, so we will multiply 3 with the Sonu's age. X minus 5 equal to 3 into Y minus 5. When we will solve it, we can easily get an equation X minus 3Y plus 10. Then for the second equation, as it is given here, 10 years later, Nuri will be twice. So 10 years later, their ages will be X plus 10 and Y plus 10. So Nuri will be twice. So it means 2 we need to multiply with the Sonu's age. So X plus 10 equal to 2 into Y plus 10. Now again you can solve in the simple way, and we have got these two equations, this and this. Now again we can see here the X coefficient is 1 and here also the X coefficient is 1. So no need to multiply with any number. And the second thing, their signs are same. Here also the X is positive. Here also the X is positive. So we need to subtract the equations. So let's subtract the equations by writing. Let's subtract. So both the signs, all the signs will be changed. X minus X is cancelled. Minus 3Y plus 2Y is minus Y. Plus 10 is plus 20. So we have got, we can take this plus 20 on that side. It will be turned in minus 20 and both the minus signs will be cancelled. So we got the Y value as 20. Now we can easily put this Y value in any equation. So we have put in the second equation at the Y, at the place of Y, let's put 20. So it will be X minus 2 into 20. This minus 10 can go on that side. So it will be equal to plus 10. So we got X minus 40 equal to 10. So X is equal to 50. So according to this, we have got the Nuri's age as 50 years and the Sonu's age as 20. Now let's come to the third part. It's given to you. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. Students, this is very important question and it is quite difficult also. But you can understand if you focus on it. It's given to you. We need to find the number, and the number is given to you a 2-digit number. For the 2-digit number, we know very well we are having the 2 digits, one at the ones place and the second at the tens place. As we have studied from the junior classes that we always have ones place and the tens place. So it's given to you that you have a 2-digit number. We can suppose this number is, if X and Y are the digits, it means at the ones place is Y and at the tens place is X. So let's suppose let the tens digit be X and let the unit digit be Y. Then according to the question, he is saying the sum of these digits is 9. It means X and Y, their sum is 9. The number can be any with the 2 digits. There are some 9 as like 81, 18, 26, 26. and we can take as like 5, 4, 6, 3. This can be. So x plus y is equal to 9. Now the 2-digit number, how to make a number 2-digit? It means the tens place always be multiplied with the 10 and the ones place will be added. Maybe it is quite confusing for you. I am making you clear, as like if you have a number 26, what we are writing in the expanded form, that it is 20 plus 6. It means 20 is 2 into 10 plus 6. So we can say the tens place always being multiplied with 10 and the unit place always being added. You can take any other example, as like you can take the example 54. Their sum is also 9, so we can take this example. So we will write it 5 into 10, 50 plus 4, 54. So in the same way, we will say this number is not xy. The number is actually 10x plus y. So our 2-digit number is 10x plus y. Now after this he is saying, also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Now what does it mean that the reversing the order of the digits? Reversing the order of the digits, it means if we have supposed earlier that on ones place we have y and on the tens place we have x. So now we will reverse it. We will write at the tens place as y and at the ones place as x. So if we are reversing these digits, so I think the number will be also reversed. Now it will be turned as 10y plus x, as it was here 10x plus y. Now it will be turned in 10y plus x. So he is saying 9 times this number. 9 times which number? This number. 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Now we can keep them equal, and after that it is same as we are doing earlier, that multiply it with 9, then multiply it with 2, and then we can bring as like the x terms on this side and the y terms on that side. We have got 88x equal to 11y. We can bring this 11y on this side. So we have got 88x minus 11y equal to 0. Now one more thing I want to explain you, student. If we are having in this and in this and even here, if you are having any number which all are the multiples of a same number, as like it's here 88 and 11 8s are 88. So if we can subtract them by that the same number, it means we can divide both the numbers by 11. If we are dividing by 11, then 0 by 11 is also 0. So it will not make any effect. So we can write 11 8s are 88, 11 1s are 11, and 0 divided by 11 is 0. So we have got one equation is this, and the other equation we were having this, x plus y equal to 9. Now let's solve these equation. Again we can see that the coefficient is same, but this is the new thing here. Here we have opposite signs. Here plus y is there, here minus y is there. So if you remember what we have decided if we will get the opposite signs, then we will add the equations. And what is the meaning of adding the equations? That the signs will be not changed. Now it will remain with the same signs. Plus y minus y will be cancelled. X plus 8x will be 9x. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. So we got x is equal to 9 divided by 9, 1. And now let's put this value of x equal to 1 in an equation. He has put in x plus y equal to 9. So 1 plus y equal to 9. We got y equal to 9 minus 1 equal to 8. So what is our number? Our number was 10x plus y. So means 10 into 1 plus 8. It means 10 plus 8, 18.